All right, 2 minutes, let's lock in. Group C, World Cup 2026. Haiti versus Brazil. Classic giant versus underdog. Brazil rolls in like a thunderstorm. 5 World Cup titles. A machine in motion. Vinícius Jr, cooking defenders for breakfast. They've been stacking convincing wins, pressing high, slicing through lines, turning half chances into highlights. Possession, 60, maybe 65%. Shots, double digits. Goals. Data says 3-0 Brazil. But here's the twist. Haiti is back on the World Cup stage for the first time since 1974. They didn't come to swap jerseys, they came to sting on the break. Under coach Sébastien Meunier, it's disciplined lines, narrow blocks, smart fouls, a counter switch that flips faster than you can say transition. Wilson Isidore is the release valve. Pace, timing, that first touch that can turn a clearance into a 1v1. Historically, Brazil's owned this matchup. Remember that 7-1 in their last big meeting? Yeah, it's a shadow in the tunnel. But shadows don't score, players do. And Haiti's banking on concentration, compactness, set-piece chaos. If Haiti pulls this off, here's how it looks. Survive the first 20 minutes, no early concession. Force Brazil wide, deny cutbacks and crowd Vinícius's runs with a fullback and a tracking midfielder. Steal moments, quick diagonals to Isidore. Late runners, corners whipped under the bar. For Brazil, the blueprint is simple. Rotate the front line to unhinge that low block. Trigger overloads on the left, let Vinícius isolate. And finish with ruthless first-time strikes. Score first, score early, and the game snowballs. My call? 3-0. Brazil on the numbers. Control, tempo, clinical edges. But if Haiti keeps it 0-0 at halftime, the stadium tightens. Nerves creep in, and one counter can rewrite headlines. Giant versus underdog. History versus hunger. If you love football, you're watching this one. See you at kickoff.